Okay, so you're able to see my screen, right? Okay. Okay, so today I'm going to cover we have to start Cucumber API, how exactly it works, and how to implement, how can we integrate with Selenium. Okay, so 2 or 3 sessions I'll take with the Cucumber, and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, before that, what I'll do, I have to create one Maven project. Okay, so we will create one Maven project in Eclipse. Simple, go to new and click on project and simple select Maven project. Click on next. Okay, so what you have to do in Maven project, click on next, click on next. Let's see Cucumber Java evening batch. This is my group ID, artifact ID, click on finish. Okay, so you have to create one Maven project. Okay, let it complete. Yes, Cucumber and pom.xml file will be there. Okay, so first you need to create one Maven project. But better we do one thing because I've already created one Maven project. Okay, this Cucumber JVM. Okay, and same folder structure src main Java, src test Java. In src test Java, we will write our code. Okay, and now, okay. So with as we know that okay with the Maven project we will get this pom.xml file, remember? Okay, so open this pom.xml file and here you have to enter, you have to define three dependencies. Okay, these three dependencies you have to define. Okay, we have Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber Core, and we have to use JUnit also. Okay, it's very simple. I'll give you these four dependencies. Three dependencies related to Cucumber. Can you see that? Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, and Cucumber Core. Three different jar files we have to download. Okay, so that's why I'm creating Maven. You can create simple Java project also where you can download these jar files and you can associate with your project. Same Java build path, add external jars or something like that. But better we do it in the form of Maven and just do it like three dependencies: Java, Cucumber JUnit, and Cucumber Core. And simple JUnit dependency is also there, and 4.11 version we are going to use for JUnit. Okay, so these four dependencies I'll give it to you. Okay, just add these four dependencies in your project and download it. So once you save it, you will see that okay, automatically Maven dependencies will be added over here. All these Maven dependencies been added, right? Okay, and you can add Selenium dependencies also here, like 2.42 or whatever. So what I have done, I think I have I'll go to properties of this project, Java build path. I've already added my Selenium Java files, jar files added over here. Okay, like this. So you can add in the form of dependencies also. Like remember in Maven project we added. So you can add dependency for I mean for Selenium also. So either way, like if you want to add in the form of dependencies or in the form of direct external jar files you want to add, you can add it in either way. Okay, so this is the first configuration, that how to download okay Cucumber in Eclipse. Okay, on your laptop, this is how we do it. Three things: Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber Core. 1.2.3, 1.2.3, 1.2.3 is the latest version we are using. So these three things you have to use, and JUnit extra dependency we have to add, and Selenium dependency we have already added. I mean Selenium jar files we have already added so that we can write Selenium code. Okay, okay. Now, what is Cucumber first of all? Cucumber is BDD framework, Behavioral Driven Development Framework. Okay, BDD. Okay, so in TestNG, that is called TDD framework, means Test Driven Development Framework. In Cucumber, we call this BDD framework, means Behavioral Driven Development Framework. So what exactly we do in BDD? We simply write some plain English. Okay, we write features. Okay, generally we call features. Okay, we write some features. We create some feature files. Okay, so how to create a feature file and what is the purpose of feature file. Okay, so that feature file, it will be simple plain English. Okay, sentence will be there, and then so I'll show you one through diagram how exactly the flow. Okay, so click on OK. So first what exactly I'll do, I'll create one feature file. So this is my feature file. Here I'll simply write some plain English features. Okay, that I'm on this page, I'm on this page, then click on user, click on button or enter username, password, click on sign in button, something like that. Some plain English I'll write it over here in this particular feature file. Okay, so then we have one step definition. Okay, then we have step definition. I'll tell you what is step definition, and then we have one runner class. Okay, so three things are there. So first thing is we have to write some features. Feature file. What is your feature file? Okay, then we have step definition. You can say step definition. We have one step definition file. This will be your Java file. This will be your dot feature file. And then we have test runner. I want to execute this program. Okay, I want to execute this particular code. Okay, this particular test case. So we will execute through test runner. So three major components will be there in Cucumber: feature file, step definition, and runner file. Okay, test runner. Now there is a mapping between this feature file and step definition. See, you have written some features here, right? I have written, let's say I have written 5 features here. In a single scenario, I have written some 5 features. Okay, so those 5 features will be mapped, okay, to the step definition. So with this 5 features, we have to write 5 methods we have to write here. Okay, and each and every feature, okay, will be mapped to this particular method. Okay, I'll tell you how to do that. And through runner class, okay, we will give the path of feature file. Okay, we will give the path of feature file in runner class, and then we will try to execute. We will give the path of feature file here, and then we will try to execute this particular feature file. Feature file is connected to step definition. Ultimately step definition file will be executed, and then we will see the results. Okay, and in these methods we will write some Selenium code. Okay, now how exactly it works? First step is create feature file. Okay, so let's see. First we have to prefer what exactly your scenario. Okay, let's see. My scenario is, let's take some simple scenario first. Same thing. Okay, any login scenario you can take it. Let's see our favorite, because we have existing code also. Yahoo login test. Okay, simple. My feature is Yahoo login test. Enter username, enter password, and click on sign in button. Right. So first you have to write feature file inside this src test Java. Just create one package. Okay, let's see step definition, or what are the package name you want to give, and just simple create one feature file. Feature file is just like normal simple file. Okay, dot feature, simple text file. So go to new and click on file. We are not going to create a class. First feature file, click on file, and let's see your file name is, don't worry about these existing files. Let's see your file name is uh, uh, um, Yahoo, let's see, Yahoo test dot feature. Okay, this is my feature file. Extension is dot feature, f small. So Yahoo test feature, better I'll give, this is a file name, so I'll give everything is in small letter. Yahoo test feature is my feature file name. Now click on finish. Okay, so now, so as according to the diagram, first we have to create feature file, then a step definition, and then test runner. So feature file we have created. Now what exactly we have to write in this particular feature file? We have to write some standard keywords are there. By using those keywords, okay, by using those keywords, we have to create our feature file. Okay, so let's see. Okay, first keyword is feature keyword. Feature, okay. Okay, first keyword is feature, F capital feature colon. This is a standard thing you have to remember. Okay, what is your feature name? Okay, let's see, my feature name is Yahoo application test, Yahoo application testing. This is my feature name. Okay, this is my feature name. Second keyword is scenario and semicolon. What is it? It's not semicolon, it's a colon. What is your scenario? My scenario is Yahoo login test. This is my scenario name. Okay, you can give any name. It's up to you. Okay, this is your scenario name. So this is my first scenario. What exactly your first scenario? Yahoo login test. So what is your first step? First step is make sure that you are on given you are on Yahoo page, right? Make sure that you are on Yahoo login page. Then only you will be able to enter username password, right? So first keyword is given keyword. Given. Okay, there is no semicolon. Yes. Given user opens Yahoo login page. Simple. I'm writing one simple English. So this is the keyword. Given is the keyword. Okay, G capital. Given user opens okay Yahoo login page. You can write any plain English sentence like, let's say user is opening Yahoo login page. User opens Yahoo login page. Let's say user is available on Yahoo login page. It's up to you. Okay, according to your English, you want to write some simple plain English sentence. Okay, you can write. According to me, let's say I write given user opens Yahoo login page. So obviously this is your prerequisites. Okay, given, okay, then user enters user ID, or let's say user enters login ID. Okay, login ID. Okay, login ID. Then users enters password. Again, I'm writing given. Okay, user opens Yahoo login page, then user enters login ID, then user enters password, and user clicks on this is login button, right? Sign in button, and user clicks on sign in button. Okay, so let's see, this is my first scenario, and close the browser. Okay, close the browser. So this is my first scenario. Scenario is Yahoo login test. Feature is Yahoo application testing. Scenario is Yahoo login test. Given user opens Yahoo login page, then user enters login ID, then user enters password, then and user clicks on sign in button and close the browser. Right. So these are the specific keywords given, then, and, and like this. Okay. So these are called Jerkin keywords. Okay. Okay. Given user opens. So these are called Jerkin keywords. Gerkin. Okay. How to pronounce Jerkin, not Gherkin. It's Jerkin. Okay. This is like this. Gherkin. Okay. So these given, then, and okay, some other keywords are also there. I'll explain you later. Okay, these are called Jerkin keywords. Okay, okay, because Cucumber works upon these keywords. Okay, now I have defined some plain, simple, plain English sentence given user on Yahoo login page, then user enters login ID, then user enters password, then user clicks on sign in button and close the browser. Okay, your grammar and your spelling mistake doesn't matter here. Whatever you want to write, it's up to you. Okay, fine. So this is my first feature file I have created. Now, second thing is I have to create step definition. According to my feature file, I have to create one step definition. So how to create? Simple, right click.
So, Naveen, you mean that this given user and then and it should start with these keywords only
Yeah,
every time?
yes.
Okay.
All the time you have to manage like this. Okay, given user opens Yahoo login page, you can use then user enters login ID, then user enters password. You can use then also. It's up to you. But make sure you cannot use any other keywords. You have to use given, when, then, and. These 4 or 5 keywords are there, and according to these 4 or 5 keywords, okay, you have to create your scenario. Okay,
Okay.
given user is not a keyword, user is not a keyword, only given is a keyword. Okay, now let's see, I'm going to create step definition class. So that is a Java class, so just create a class. And my step definition class is, let's see, class y capital Yahoo login test underscore step definition. Let's see, I'll write like this: Yahoo login test underscore step definition. Don't select main method. Okay, and click on finish. Simple. Now what you have to write, you have to map according to the diagram. Feature file should be mapped with step definition. So how many features we have written? Okay, we have written one feature. How many steps we have written? These are called steps, 5 steps. So we have to create 5 different methods. Okay, in my step definition class. Okay, so first step is what? Given user opens Yahoo login page, right? So we see that, okay, it's with given keyword. So what exactly you have to do? In step definition, that keyword will be converted into annotation at the rate given, okay, and double quotes. Whatever the step definition you have written, exact, just copy this thing, given, and paste it over here. Okay, at the rate given, user opens Yahoo login page, and what you have to do, you have to do one thing. You have to put this apostrophe, this special character at the starting, and at the end you have to put dollar. This is the design. Okay, this is the mapping actually. How exactly your Yahoo test feature is mapped to this particular, this step is mapped to this particular line like this. User opens Yahoo login page. Before user, just okay, put this particular special character, and after page put dollars. Okay, and we know that each and every annotation should be associated with one method. So let's see, my method name is public void, and you can create method according to this step. Let's see, user underscore opens underscore Yahoo underscore login underscore page. Right, this is my method, and I know that at the rate given is available in Cucumber, so just import it from Cucumber. Okay, and user opens Yahoo login page. So how will you open Yahoo login page? Simple. So first I'll declare my web driver here so that I can use this my driver anywhere with null. Okay, so I just import this, and simple driver is equal to, first I need to launch my Firefox, so equal to new Firefox driver, import this, and you have to open user Yahoo login page. Get, and what is my Yahoo login URL? This is my Yahoo login URL. Okay, so first step is mapped. Given user opens Yahoo login page, yes. In this particular method, user opens Yahoo login page is associated with given user opens Yahoo login page, and we are writing, we are launching Firefox and launching Yahoo login page, right? Now the second one is then user enters login ID. So just copy this user enters login ID and put one at the rate then here, at the rate T capital then bracket double quotes, put user enters login ID, and before user you have to put this special character and then dollar, right? And again same method, we have to write public void user enters login ID, right? And import this at the rate then from Cucumber API. And then how to enter? Simple, I think I have that line, so simple enter username. Okay, without wasting my time. Okay, this is the XPath and everything. Import this by class also. Okay, driver.findElement by.xpath send keys test at the rate yahoo.com. Right. So this is second step is also mapped. User enters login ID. Then user enters password. Again, copy this, user enters password with then. So at the rate then, again double quotes, enter, then dollar, and before you have to put this thing, and then public void, you can write user enters password. Okay, and simple. For password, I think I have this one. Okay, then third step is also mapped. Right, now the fourth step is and user clicks on sign in button. So then I have to create at the rate and, again double quote, simple copy paste, dollar, before you have to put string, and then public void, method name is user underscore clicks underscore on underscore sign in underscore button. This method you can give anything. User clicks on sign in button, user clicks on login button, whatever the method name you want to give, that's fine. Generally we give the same name with underscore. Okay, and is available here in number, and then driver dot, I think I have that code, sign in button, copy this and paste, right? Okay, login sign in button also we are clicking, and then the last one is and close the browser. Simple at the rate and, close the browser, dollar public void, simple close underscore the underscore browser method is there, and simple driver dot quit method is there, right? Okay, so how many steps we have written? Five steps, five annotations, 3 plus 2 5, and here also we have five steps, right? So five steps are mapped to this particular step definition class. Okay, so step definition is clear. Step definition is clear. Now we have to create test runner class. So how to create test runner class? Simple, create one Java class, go to new, create a class. Let's see, I'll create Yahoo test runner. Okay, Yahoo test runner I'll create. Click on finish without main method. And here you have to define some. I'll give you one code that check. Okay, let me check from runner class what you have to give. Just need to copy paste this line. So you don't need to remember these options. Okay, here you have to give Cucumber options. See, this is your class, public class Yahoo test runner, and above the class, no need to write anything inside the class. Just your class will be blank. At the rate run with what? I want to run my test cases with Cucumber, and Cucumber options. Where exactly your feature file is available? My feature file is available here. Yahoo login test. Okay, your feature file is this Yahoo test dot feature, right? So my feature file is. You have to give the complete path of Yahoo test dot feature. Okay, Yahoo test dot feature. Okay, it's available in src test java, src test java step definition, uh, okay, step definition package, and then Yahoo test dot feature is there. Yahoo test dot feature is available here. Okay, okay, now forget about this thing. Okay, just a minute, forget about this thing. Simple, just give this feature where exactly your feature file is available. Okay, I'll give you other options. Okay, I'll tell you how exactly it works. So I want to run my test case with cucumber.class. So which feature file you want to execute. I want to execute this Yahoo test.feature. And where is Yahoo test.feature? Is available here. Yahoo test feature. So it will read all these information. Okay, it will read all these information, and then where exactly your Yahoo login test sub definition we have written over here. Okay, and then it will try to execute this. Okay, just a minute. Let me check one more thing. Yahoo class. Okay, fine. Okay, so we have created a runner class also. The third step is a runner class where you have to give the where exactly your feature file. My feature file is available here, Yahoo test.feature. Okay, now you have to execute this thing. No need to execute your feature file. No need to execute your Yahoo login test underscore step. Okay, definition file also you don't need to create. Okay, you don't need to execute. Simple execute this runner class to execute your test cases. Automatically it will read okay Yahoo test.feature. Okay, Yahoo test.feature is available here, and it's mapped to Yahoo login test underscore step definition class, and it will try to execute all these test cases. Okay, so we do one thing. Okay, let's run it. Okay, simple right click, run as. So you have to run as JUnit. Okay, because this at the rate run with is the JUnit annotation. Can you see that JUnit runner run with? So that's why it's giving you JUnit annotation. I mean JUnit test option is available. Just click on it and see. Click on allow. Oh, it's getting failed. Duplicate. Yes, that's why I was confused. Why? Because there's already so many classes I've created, right? So that's why it's getting confused. So we do one thing. Um, Let me do one thing. Let me just give me 1 minute. RPB test runner step. Let me remove my previous files. Actually, it's getting confused with the previous files. So Yahoo test runner.java and Yahoo login Yahoo test.feature should be there. Yahoo login test underscore. So I'll remove just a minute. This is step def. Okay. So let me copy this and let me paste it over here. Okay, I'm removing all my classes from. Okay, so Yahoo login test I'll remove, delete. Okay, in your case it will be new file, so don't worry. Okay, all these three things also I'm going to copy. Okay, Yahoo. Okay, these two step definitions I'll copy, I'll paste it in some other project. Okay, so this thing I'll remove, delete it, delete. Okay, so Yahoo runner also I'll copy and paste it over here. Okay, and Yahoo runner I'll delete. Okay, what is test steps? In test steps also, okay, I'll user is on home page, username password. Okay, test step is fine, no issues. Okay, so all Yahoo related stuff I have deleted. Okay, so we have Yahoo login test definition we have created. Okay, then we have created this. First, we have created Yahoo test feature. This is available here, Yahoo test feature, and step definition, the mapping file, and the runner class. Now, if you execute your program, let's execute it. Run as JUnit. Oh, again, initialization error. What is initial? Duplicate step definition. Where? Okay, Yahoo close the browser. Okay, okay, okay. One more step is there. Just a minute. Log out steps. Okay, then let me comment this thing. It's getting confused with this. Okay, so steps. Okay, let me execute it. See, it's just getting conflicted because of my other classes already there with the same method name. That's why it's getting confused. So in your case, it will be because you will be creating new classes, right? So in your case, it will be working fine. So now run as. Now I think it's running, and see, browser is getting opened. Don't worry, I'll explain you once again. Okay, so simple login.yahoo.com is getting opened. It will enter username, password, clicking on sign in button. Everything is green. You will see that in step definition. What is your step definition? Yahoo Test Runner. What is your feature name? Yahoo Application Testing. This is my feature name, right? Yahoo Application Testing. What is your scenario? Scenario name is Yahoo Login Test. And in this particular scenario, how many steps are there? Five steps are there. Five steps are there. Given user opens Yahoo login page is working. Then user enters login ID, that is also working. Then user enters password, this is also working. Sign in button and close the browser. Okay, everything is working fine. Right. So now let me explain you once again. First, this is your pom.xml file. I've already told you that okay, these four dependencies you have to add for Cucumber so that your project will be associated with Cucumber libraries. Okay, I'll send you these Cucumber libraries. Then we have Yahoo test.feature file. First feature file you have to create simple plain English sentence you have to write. First thing is you have to write feature F capital. All the keywords should start with, in feature file, all the keywords should start with capital letter. Okay. And you can give any Yahoo application testing, my Yahoo application testing, whatever the name you want to give your feature name, you can give. Then scenario is Yahoo login test. Again, you can give any scenario. Okay. Yahoo login page test, Yahoo login testing, Yahoo login QA, whatever the name you want to give, you can give. Then we have given all these steps. Okay. According to the steps, I have to create one Java class that is called step definition class. Shit. Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? Sorry, guys. I got disconnected.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so back to this step definition file is there. Okay, so this is my step definition file. Okay, for each and every feature file, I have created one step definition file where I have written my Selenium code like that. At the rate given, user opens Yahoo login page. At the rate then, user enters login ID. So for each and every step, okay, I have written a separate method. Okay, with the annotation at the rate given, at the rate then, at the rate then. Okay, like this. So once you have written all these okay methods, you have to create one runner class. Okay, so simple runner class you have to create. Simply create Yahoo test runner or whatever, my runner. Okay, my test runner or something like that you want to create. You can create any runner class. Okay, and after that you just need to enter these two annotations are there. At the rate run with cucumber dot class and cucumber option where exactly your feature file is available. You have to give your feature file path. My feature file is available in Yahoo test.feature. So Cucumber is very smart. Cucumber will interact with Yahoo test.feature file. Okay, and seeing that okay, Yahoo.test feature file is connected to this particular step definition file. Okay, and then it will try to execute this particular step definition file automatically. Okay, so I'll let me run it again. Run as okay, JUnit test. Again, it will open browser. Okay, it will enter Yahoo page, Yahoo login, and enter username, password. Okay, and clicking on sign in button and close the browser. So you will see that in report we have step definition, Yahoo test runner. What is your feature? The feature name is C. It will pick all these lines from here. So it's generating a very good report. That feature is Yahoo application testing. Scenario is Yahoo login test. In this particular scenario, we have these 4 5 steps. All 4 steps are working fine. Right. And good thing about is you refresh your project. This is your project, right? Just refresh it. Refresh. You will see that automatically one. Okay. Now what I want to generate some automatically one target folder will be generated, but this target folder is blank right now. Okay. So I want to generate some. Remember in TestNG, I want to generate uh, some HTML reports like index.html or something like that. So how to do that, but you will get some console output also. See how many scenarios, one scenario, one pass, how many steps, 5 steps, how much time it took, 22.60 okay seconds. Okay, so it's giving you some basic console output also, but I want to see some appropriate results, right? Appropriate console. So in Yahoo test runner you can give one more option, comma. Let's see what exactly you want. I want format is equal to, the format should be pretty, it's pretty only, right? Let me check. Uh, just a minute. Format is pretty. Yes. I want format is pretty. Okay. And simple run it. Now we'll see. Okay, let me run it again. Run as JUnit test. So it's running Yahoo login page again. Okay. Now you see the console output. Can you see that? Now the console output format is okay is better than the last console output. Right. The feature file is Yahoo application testing. See, a very good console output here. Okay, it's giving. Everything is green. Green means everything is passed. Scenario is Yahoo login test. This is also working fine. This, right? Given user opens Yahoo login page, so it's mapped to this particular method. User opens Yahoo login page method, right? So it's giving you a very good report. I mean, console report. Now you again refresh your project and check. Are you getting? Click on refresh. Okay, one reports folder will be generated. You will see that. You open your reports folder and one file is there, index.html file is there. Okay, same, right click on it, go to properties. Okay, get the location, copy this, open your Firefox or any browser, copy paste and then enter. You will see that. Okay, I think this one is the old one. Just a minute. No, that's not this one. Let me, sorry, just a minute. Okay, Yahoo, just give me 1 minute. Okay, Cucumber JVM reports, and where exactly you want. Okay, you have to give the full path. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so pretty format, and along with pretty format, I want HTML file also. Okay, and HTML. Just a minute, guys. Some syntax mistake. Okay. And you have to format is equal to this. Okay, you have to give format. See, is this a syntax? You should be very careful about the syntax in Cucumber. Now the error is gone. Okay, so even I don't remember the syntax sometimes. So because it's Cucumber is just new in the market. So even like around 6 months back, I learned Cucumber, and I mean it launched around 1 year back. So initially it was launched with Ruby, but now it's Cucumber with Java. So around 6 7 months they launched with Cucumber with Java. So okay, so feature equal to this, and format I want what kind of format? Pretty format, and HTML report I want to generate in user Naveen. This is a folder structure. Atlas MP portal, Cucumber JVM my project, and in the report folder, okay, I want to generate index.html file. Okay, now you run it, run as JUnit test, and then let it run. Okay, okay. So you are getting this particular output because of this format. Format is pretty, right? So that's why you are getting this output, right? Now I want to check where exactly HTML report is getting generated. So HTML report will be generated. This is my project. Cucumber JVM is my project. Cucumber hyphen JVM. Just refresh your project. Okay. Now the report folder has been generated. Inside this report, one HTML file will be generated. That is your index.html file. Okay. Get the property. Go to. Oh, oh. Okay. So get the property of index.html. I mean, get the location and paste. Okay. Now see, this is the HTML report of Cucumber. What is your feature? Yahoo login test. What is the scenario? Yahoo login test. All these 5 steps are green. It means this particular scenario is working fine. Okay, so you can send this particular report to your manager. Right now we have only one scenario. You can create n number of scenarios. Okay, in test.ng we create @test. Here we create n number of scenarios in the feature file. So let's see, I want to create one more scenario. What is my scenario? In Yahoo feature, my scenario name is scenario colon um, Yahoo title page. Scenario is Yahoo title page. I want to verify Yahoo title page is correct or not. Okay, so given same thing, user opens Yahoo login page, Yahoo login title page. Okay, same thing, I'll write it over here. Given user opens Yahoo login page, then what? Get the title of Yahoo login page, and then okay, simple, get the title of Yahoo login page. Okay, and simple verify. Simple like that. Get the title of Yahoo login page and verify. Okay, and close the browser. After that, close the browser. Right, so this is the second scenario I have written. So like that, you can create n number of scenarios. So once you have created scenarios, Yahoo login test, I have 3 steps. So these 3 steps, again, I have to create step definition methods. So I see that, okay, open given user opens Yahoo login page. That particular method is already created. So no need to create, okay, duplicate methods here. Okay, I have already created user opens Yahoo login page. So this is a common step for both the features. Okay, for both the scenarios. Now the next one is then get the title of Yahoo login page and verify. So this is my at the rate, then I have to create a new one. Okay, let's, you can create anywhere, it doesn't, there is no sequence. At the rate, then get the title of Yahoo login page and verify, and then you have to put same thing, strophe and dollar here. Simple write one method, public void, your method name is, let's see, verify Yahoo login page underscore title. Okay, you can give any method name, but make sure that, okay, this is the correct string you are giving. The same line, same step is defined here. Okay, get the title of Yahoo login page and verify. Simple, you have to write the same thing here. And how to get the title? So can I get the titles like this? Driver dot get title. So I'll store in some string variable. Let's see, string title is equal to this string title equal to this, and then I have to verify it. So I'll put assert dot assert equals what exactly you are expecting. I'm expecting this. Um, I'm expecting this Yahoo login. Okay, so Yahoo login I'm expecting, and what exactly the actual result is coming. Actual result is title, right? So at the rate then, and then I have third step is close the browser. So close the browser is already there, so no need to write the duplicate method. Close the browser is already there. So this close the browser will work for both the scenarios. Okay, now this is my feature file. This is my feature file I have written over here. Okay, I mean I have given the path over here inside my runner class, HTML report, pretty format and all. Now execute it. Run as JUnit test. And then let's see. So first it will execute username password, close the browser. Again it will come to the second scenario, open the browser, okay, enter Yahoo page, get the title, verify it and close the browser. Okay, now see the console output. See, you are getting a very good console output like this. How many scenarios? This is my feature. This is my first scenario. All 5 steps are working fine. This is my second scenario. All 3 steps are working fine. Total number of 2 scenarios. Total number of steps 5 plus 3, 8 steps are there. How much time it took? 43 seconds. And same thing, you will get JUnit report also. What is feature file? Yahoo application testing. Yahoo application testing. How many scenarios? 2 scenarios. Scenario number 1 is Yahoo login test. Scenario number 2 is Yahoo login title page. Okay, or you can give Yahoo login title page test. Okay, in first scenario I have 5 steps. In second scenarios I have 3 steps. Okay, and you will get same index.html file also will be created. You open your Firefox, refresh this thing again, and you will see 2 scenarios. So automatically you are creating n number of scenarios. You have created 100 scenarios. 100 scenarios will be displayed on this particular index.html file. Got it? If any scenario is getting failed, let's see. I am expecting. Okay, let's make some failures. I am expecting title page. I'm expecting 123. Okay, so obviously it will be failed, right? So let's run it. Run your runner again. Run as JUnit test. So first scenario will be passed, but the second scenario will be failed because I'm expecting Yahoo login 123 and it will give you Yahoo login. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, the first scenario is passed, everything is green. Now let's do it. Second scenario. Okay, see now the second scenario got failed and you will see see the console output first. First scenario is working fine. In now it comes to second scenario, Yahoo login test. Yahoo login test first step is working fine, but immediately then get the title of Yahoo login page and verify this particular thing is not working fine. Why? It will give you expected Yahoo login 123, but was Yahoo login only. So assertion problem is there. Okay, validation point is getting failed. Assertion point is getting failed. Right, and then close the browser is working fine. Okay, although okay. So two scenarios are there. One got failed, one got passed. 8 steps are there. Okay, one failed, one skipped. Okay, so always remember this particular assertion is getting failed, so it will not close the browser. This particular thing will be skipped. Skipped means it will be ignored automatically. Okay, so that's why see I did not close the browser. So let's close it manually. Okay, so now if you see the output is red mark. Feature is Yahoo application testing. First scenario is Yahoo login test. All steps are working fine. Second step is Yahoo login title page. First step is working fine. Till Yahoo opens Yahoo login page, it's working fine. Okay, user opens Yahoo login page, it's working fine. The second step, get the title of Yahoo login page, it's not working. It's giving you some assertion error, comparison failure. We were expecting Yahoo login 123, but we found Yahoo login only. Same thing in report also. You just refresh your report and see. Automatically it's coming in red color. So you can send this particular report to your manager. Okay. Simple, your manager will see that okay, you are testing Yahoo application testing. Okay. This is my project name. First scenario is working fine, but the second scenario is not working fine. What is the error? In first scenario, you can give some training. Sir, please understand like this. Give user opens Yahoo login page. This line is green. Okay, but the second line then get the title of Yahoo login page. Red means ignore. Oh, sorry, red means failure. What is the reason? This is the failure reason. So easily he can understand. We were expecting Yahoo login 123, but we found Yahoo login only. And the third step is close the browser is in some green color, or I don't know what exactly this color is. Okay, so it means this is ignored. This will be skipped. Why? Because this particular test case is this particular step is not working. Right. So like this, you can generate a very good HTML report. This report is very smart. You can create 10 scenarios, okay, and color wise, you can differentiate which one is getting passed, which one is getting failed, which scenario is getting passed, which step is getting failed, what exactly the reason behind that. Okay, all these things you can verify in the single page report. So that's why Cucumber is very famous these days. Okay, so people are using Cucumber with the Selenium integration. I mean, with Selenium, they are writing the code in Cucumber and they are generating these kind of reports. Okay, so like it got popular 1 year back. It came with Cucumber with Ruby. Okay, but they found that okay, no, Cucumber with the Java also they had to do it because a lot of people are working on Selenium with Java. So they release Cucumber with Java version also. Okay, so you can see like this.
So Cucumber with Ruby is also the same. It works the same way.
Concept, exact same concept, but
Yeah, exact same concept and exact same steps.
same steps, everything. 3 steps will be there, but
Yeah,
you have to write the code in Ruby.
yeah.
Okay, instead of this,
Naveen,
yeah.
but in Ruby, we import some libraries. So did we import the libraries here also in Eclipse?
Yes. We imported these libraries. I think that part you missed.
Oh, because,
These 3 libraries we have to
yeah.
in pom.xml file in Maven project. Okay,
Okay,
I recorded this session. I'll send you this recorded session. Okay, so
okay.
I found
Okay.
this is important, and later on you can practice with this session. So these 3 4 libraries you have to download. Okay,
Okay.
and Selenium I've already added in my Java build path. Add external jars and all in reference libraries so that you can write Selenium code also. Okay, so this is how we use Cucumber.
So,
Understood?
so how do they ask us questions when they ask for, regarding Cucumber?
Yeah. So first they will ask how exactly you have implemented Cucumber. Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute. Huh? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
This internet. Okay, fine. So, interview question point of view, first they will ask, the first question is, you are working with Cucumber with Java or Ruby? Obviously, answer is Java. So, how exactly you're designing your test cases? So, you have to explain like this. First, we are creating feature file, then step definition, and then test runner. So, they are expecting step definition. This is the standard name. Step definition is the name. So, feature file is simple, plain English. So, that's why this is called BDD frameworks, because we are writing behavioral driven development. Some simple, plain English sentence you are writing by using Jerkin. Okay, this is called given, then, and. Okay, scenario, feature, all these keywords are called Jerkin keywords. Okay, so then I'm writing step definition, then I'm writing runner class. Okay, and like, okay, that we are executing. So they will ask like, how will you map your feature file with the step definition? Okay, by providing the annotations according to the keywords, according to the steps. Okay, we have to provide at the rate given, and then we have to write the proper annotation. In bracket we have to write like this. So you have to explain like that. Okay, 3 4 questions will be there in Cucumber. Okay, what exactly the flow, how will you create feature file, what is the scenario, okay, what would be the syntax of runner class. So you have to remember, like, we have Cucumber options, what are the different Cucumber options, what are different entities you will define in Cucumber options. So feature equal to this, you have to give the feature file path here, what exactly format you want. So pretty is used for console output. If you want to generate some HTML report, then you have to give HTML colon and what exactly, where exactly you want to generate. Okay, the complete path you have to give here. Okay, so this is your runner class. So all these three, okay, files are okay. This is the flow: feature, step definition, and then runner. So like you have to explain at the time of interview. Okay,
Okay.
sure. So tell me one thing: you like Cucumber feature, Cucumber or TestNG? Yeah, anyone. TestNG or Cucumber? So they will ask you at the time of interview, what is your preference?
I like TestNG because we don't have to follow so many steps like test runner or step definition. But
Hmm, exactly. Even I prefer TestNG. Okay, because here too much of headache to write that features and everything, and people will be confused that okay, so many features, so many plain English you have to write instead of code, or then again you have to map with the coding. If anything is missing, and the syntax problem is the biggest problem here. A single, let's say you are entering user enter login ID, then it will be failed. Exact copy paste you have to write it over here. So some complexity is there, but it's getting very famous, very popular, especially in US. It's not very famous in India. In India, hardly people are using Cucumber, but in US, it's very famous. Okay, all the US clients, because they want some reports like this. All all the white managers, okay, they want reports like this. But in TestNG, you
but we get pretty reports in TestNG also, right? We used to get a mock and then we used to put that in the browser
yeah,
and we used to
but
get a.
step wise you are getting the reports here, right? In TestNG, we don't get the report step wise.
Oh yeah.
Simple, they can understand. Oh, use, because your manager is not a technical guy. He's just a QA manager or director. He's not a technical. He doesn't understand what is TestNG report and everything. So here you are getting as a very user friendly report. Okay, like that. A simple plain English report you are getting. So that's why it's getting famous. So yeah, I'm covering this topic because of, I mean, you should not feel that okay once you join some project. So it's not like that. Okay, they are using Cucumber. Might be 50% chances are there they might use Cucumber. At the time of interview, you can ask what exactly you are using, TestNG or Cucumber. Like you are using TDD or BDD. So if they say that okay, yes, we are using Cucumber, then and one more tool is there. Uh, JBehave is there. So that is very complex. Just like Cucumber, they have JBehave also. It only works with Java. So very few companies, 1% of the company, they're working on JBehave also to write their test cases. It's not famous like Cucumber because Cucumber is very user friendly. JBehave is not that friendly. Although I mean, I got some exposure on JBehave also, but I prefer Cucumber as compared to JBehave. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow I'll explain you that okay, how can you enter multiple values? Okay, how can you parameterize the things and all? Okay, no need to get the data from Excel file. So how can you use data providers and all those things in Cucumber? Okay, let's say I want to log in with 5 username and 5 passwords. Then how will you do that? Okay, so that thing I'll explain you, and some other options are available. Okay, and in Cucumber, these kind of options, other options are available. I'll explain you that those options also, and I think then Cucumber is done. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Let me know if you have any issues. I'll send you this entire, okay, all these 3 4 files. Please practice. It's really important and it's interesting also. Please at least do once.
And Naveen, can you also send us the screenshots which we have done on the Painterest, the
Okay, okay, yeah.
the bank thing and the BMW, the inheritance and all those.
Oh, okay, okay. I need to check I have saved it or not. Okay, I'll send it to you if I have it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'll see you then. I'll see you tomorrow.